Hi, students, and welcome to your Lifespan Growth and Development course. This is also an honors section. My name is Delia Wallace, and I will be your professor this semester. This course is a face-to-face course. As you can see right here, we'll meet every Tuesday and Thursday from 10:50 to 12:05 in the Moody Learning Center building, room 628. So if you're not familiar with campus, I know many of you are, but some of you may be new. The Moody building is one of the tallest buildings, almost situated in the center of campus. Most of our buildings have a red brick tone to them. Moody is that tall white building that says San Antonio College on top. So once you locate the building, make your way up to the 6th floor. And the easiest way, because it's very confusing up here, to describe where 628 is it's on the outside hallway. So when you come up to the 6th floor, make your way to the outside hallway and look for 628. If we are sitting in the classroom looking out the classroom windows, you would be looking out over the parking lot that is situated right in front of Moody Learning Center, right off of Main Street. So if you have good sense of direction, maybe that will help you find it. And we will start classes next Tuesday, January 16th. I keep having to look at my calendar here. January 16th at 10:50. I will also kind of give you a heads up and let you know that I do have a class right before our class together in that same room. So I will be teaching general psychology from 9:25 to 10:40. And then welcome you guys in at 10:50. So if you come up and you're really early and you look in and you see my face and you see a class and you think, oh no, I'm late. You're not. It's my other class that is in there before you guys come in. So just wanted to let you know about that. This course is one where I use Canvas and Connect as a supplement for our learning. You do not need to purchase a textbook. Within your tuition, your ebook is wrapped into that fee. And so you should have access already ready to go with Connect. I will show you in class on Tuesday how to set up Connect and what you need to do there. Not all of your assignments will live in Connect. So we will do many assignments in class because remember, this is a face-to-face class. You'll do some assignments in Connect and some in Canvas. So multitude of ways that you'll be doing your assignments, but your grades and knowing how you're doing in class will always be available to you through Canvas. So I want to walk you through how to navigate my course in Canvas, how to set up Connect, and talk about what to expect to learn this semester, in addition to what assignments to look forward to. I love this class. This class is relevant to everyone. You may have heard it termed cradle to grave. That's probably not the best way to introduce the course, but there's some truth there because we will start with conception and we will go through the entire human lifespan. And at the end of the semester, we will have a chapter on death and dying. So we will go in chronological order through the lifespan. If you scroll down here, you see my contact information. While our classroom is in 628, my office is in 614, so right around the corner from our classroom. You have my direct line here. My email address is right here. It's dstrong2. But if you're familiar, you know that you can also use the inbox through Canvas. Search out your Psych 2314 instructor that way, and you don't have to look up my email address. So should you have any questions before next Tuesday, please feel free to reach out. You don't necessarily need a prep for anything for the first class. We will dive in together on Tuesday. Just come with hopefully a well-rested body after a nice long break, an enthusiasm to learn about how psychology fits into the stages of the lifespan, and a positive attitude ready to learn everything you can this semester. So I look forward. I'm very excited to be your professor this semester, and I will see you guys on Tuesday, January 16th at 10:50. Take care, everybody, and see you soon.